In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy ML projects on Netlify using Anaconda. If you've trained or packaged your machine learning project in an Anaconda environment and you're ready to let others try it out, Netlify is a fast way to get a demo or documentation site online. This walkthrough focuses on the simplest path, uploading your already built project files so they go live instantly. Start by opening Netlify in your browser and signing in. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open the Projects section. This is where you'll create and manage deployments for your sites. Choose Add New Project. Netlify will show a few ways to get started. You'll see an option to start building with an AI agent. That assistant can help scaffold projects, but if you already have your ML demo or docs prepared locally, you don't need it for this flow. You'll also see an option to import a Git repository. That's great when your project is tracked on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, and you want automatic redeploys on every commit. For a quick launch, though, we'll use the direct upload approach. Select Upload your project files. You can drag and drop a folder, a zip file, or even a single HTML file for a minimal demo. If dragging isn't convenient, choose the option to pick a folder from your computer. Browse to the directory that contains your built site assets and click Open, then confirm by clicking Upload. A few important tips while that upload runs. Because we're deploying to a static hosting platform, make sure your project folder already contains the artifacts your site needs. That typically includes an index.html file at the root, your JavaScript and CSS assets, and any model files or sample data you plan to load in the browser. If your ML demo depends on Python running on a server, this upload-only flow won't execute that code. In that case, consider adapting your demo to run client-side with WebAssembly or WebGPU, or plan a serverless function later. From the Anaconda side, think of this as exporting outputs from your environment: plots, visualizations, interactive front ends built with frameworks that compile to static assets rather than uploading the environment itself. Once the upload completes, Netlify provisions your site automatically and gives you a live URL you can share. You can visit it right away to verify everything loads as expected. If something doesn't appear, double-check your folder structure and file paths locally, rebuild from your Anaconda environment if needed, and repeat the same upload flow. That's it. Your ML project is now live on Netlify with just a few clicks.